Good evening, swimmers, and welcome to our market wrap-up for Thursday, February 27th, 2008. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist for thinkorswim. All right, well, today kind of a mixed bag. Market looked pretty good, pretty bad early, came back, looked pretty good for a while, and in the end, basically really didn't go anywhere. The Dow Jones Industrial Average up a whopping $9.36. The NASDAQ, though, up for the fourth day in a row. Very positive for the NASDAQ. Up $8 today. The S&P 500 future, we've talked about it time and time again, down on the day $2.60. Really, just not much there. Not a whole lot of movement in the market overall. Kind of a back and forth. Bernanke had some comments today saying that he thought that he would cut if so needed. Of course, there's the inflation issue on the other end. If he cuts, is money too easy? And then we have inflation because of that. Are we in a recession? There are just all kinds of questions out there right now. Some of the things I found interesting is that although we didn't have a big movement one way or the other, the VIX up 79 cents today, 22.69. That makes me a little leery going into tomorrow's numbers. On Thursday, we have GDP coming up. Big number. Going to be out at 8:30 Eastern Time, and I think it's something we want to keep our eyes on, as I believe it'll set the tone for the day. The fact that the VIX was up today, there was some heavy buyers in the SPX, S&P 500 cash option, in the puts today. So that makes me a little bit leery going into tomorrow also. All right, let's talk about the market today. The Dow, as I said, was up 9 points. We had 17 advancers, 13 decliners. Again, exactly as you'd expect, just kind of a where do we go from here type day. Anyway, with that, the S&P 500 future, the VIX, really didn't do anything as far as our numbers are concerned. But as I said, because the VIX was up on a nothing day, I'm a little concerned coming into tomorrow, Thursday, to see what's going to happen there. As always, we go to our sizzle index to see if there may be a story out there that we're not really seeing. And the story comes up today in NWA, Northwest Air. A lot of rumors about Northwest being involved in some merger talk. Well, if we look at the March 15 calls and the March 17.5 calls, the March 17.5 calls have to be the story on the day. The volume was 115,000 of them. Somebody thinks they know something. They're trading their theoretical value right around 43 cents on the close. Now this will be a story to watch. The March 15 calls traded 3,300. The March 17 calls again almost 115,000. Please keep your eye on Northwest Air, NWA, over the next 2 weeks, because that is highly unusual volume, and the call sizzle index was lighting up like a Christmas tree, as they say on that news. All right, anyway, that is all for today. Again, as always, good luck, good trading. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with thinkorswim. Make tomorrow a great day. Thank you very much.